This was the best boom and crash indicator that I've ever developed. What I love the most about this tool is that it gives you the signal and it gives you the estimated size of the spike. Okay, so we are 100% sure that the spike is going to occur, but we are not 100% sure about the estimated size of the spike. Do you understand? So I want to show you something live trading while you are busy donating your hard-earned money to the reef. This is how we make money using Tarok 5.0. Okay, I always say this, some of you are not forex traders, you are forex donators, because most of the time you donate your money to these brokers. You don't actually make money from these brokers. So today, if they won't tell you, today I want to tell you and show you how we do it. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. There's no way you can use your naked mind to analyze the boom and crash spikes. There's no way. You need tools like Tarot 5.0, like Money Heist V5, like the Golden Spike Killer. Do you understand? That's what you need to master boom and crash. If you don't hear me now, you'll remember my words someday. This is how we do it. Just watch the video. Right now I want to ask you just a simple thing. How many times have you deposited money into your broker's account to trade? And how many times have you withdrawn profits from the very same broker? How many times? So that answer on its own should indicate that you need one of our tools. You don't want, you need one of our tools, because all you do is to donate money to these brokers, while there are tools like Tarot, Money Heist, and Golden Spike Killer. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. The spike was less than the estimated size, but still we made money.